Mythic Dev Assist is your observability portal into Unreal Engine, the bridge that lets your AI coding agent actually see what's happening inside the editor. Here's the problem it solves. You're using Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex to build your game, and your agent writes great code, blueprints, C++, no problem. But it can't run your game. It can't spawn the actor it just wrote, watch it tick, and see what actually happened. So it guesses, and every guess compounds. MDA fixes that. It lets your agent drive the editor, spawn actors, fire abilities, capture screenshots, sample Niagara state, query a full session history, and read the results back as clean, structured data. It gives your agent a feedback loop. It lets your agent see what you see. And this isn't a chat panel or a blueprint generator. Other plugins sell you the AI. MDA is built around what the AI actually sees. Every response carries live world state, so your agent always knows where it is. Destroy something and it gets back exactly what was removed. Move an actor and it gets the real post-collision position. No guessing, no blind follow-up calls. Best of all, it's completely local first. Your agent just calls localhost. No cloud account, no API key, nothing leaving your machine. It works with any MCP-compatible agent across Unreal Engine 5.3 and up, and setup takes about 5 minutes. In this example, we've asked the agent to spawn some other NPCs around the existing one in the level. It has no problem identifying the one you're looking at, getting its location, and spawning some additional NPCs. In the side panel, you can see the agent making calls to the MD-AMCP server to achieve this. Furthermore, the agent straight away notices that all the NPCs spawned have defaulted to a particular NPC character, and that a class property override didn't take. The agent noticed this without any additional calls, because behind the scenes, the agent received a rich stream of state data for every action it performed, so it notices issues before you do. This is the concept of a world model. Whereas you have a rich source of visual, sensory, and perceptual data as a human operator, the agent receives a rich source of temporal, logging, delta-modified data about the changes made to the world based on the actions it took. In effect, the plugin gives the agent eyes. In this example, we ask the agent to spawn one NPC chasing another NPC, but the bandit spawns on the top of a wall where there's no nav mesh. We can simply chat with the AI to have him rectify the situation, and the agent has full knowledge of the environment without having to do any inefficient screenshot verification. The MDA tools provide all of the necessary state for full comprehension. The agent produces a table showing the progress of the chase. This is possible because the MDA server provided all the necessary raw information up front for the agent to piece together the contextual information of the scene playing out. No deep explanation needed, simply describe what you want to happen, and the agent sees it. We can additionally have the agent control far more than the runtime state. It has full access to the editor, including the ability to start and stop the PIE session, the ability to change the map and interact with the asset editors such as the Niagara effects editor. In this example, we ask the agent to make the demo level a bit more moody. He does so by searching the level for the sun and making edits to its properties. The MDA server provides the agent with the ability to see and change any field in any object, so it can make almost any change. Where the Python AI lacks, over 100 built-in tools are used to gain real fine-grained control over the whole editor state. In this example, we automate some of our marketing tasks, the creation of demo videos for FabStore products, by using the MDA server to set up a demo level, set the lighting, and capture 4K video of a moving camera floating past some Niagara assets. MDA is useful in almost all scenarios. When your AI agent can drive the editor, fully comprehend the effects that its actions have, it can do almost anything. Some of MDA's more advanced features include causal tracing, where the agent can place an observation monitor on an actor for a duration to monitor its change over time. The agent also has the ability to go causally search back through time, as every editor session is fully logged to an SQLite database in the saved folder during development. The state database contains a full amount of rich logging for all sorts of data streams that are useful for analysis and understanding the editor's state. Agents are fundamentally good at coding problems because the programming language provides a feedback loop that corrects their mistakes. By moving the observability layer into a database, the agent can perform complex SQL queries to dig into the state, rather than attempting to visually understand what's going on.